Respected Ayas, I am Mrs. Kavita, lecturer in food science and nutrition from Saratakar College, Sinalveli, Tamil Nadu. I have taken a research on development of pumpkin seed cookies in the COVID-19 situation to combat the nutritional deficiencies. Let us explain my poster. Here, the fortified and enhanced foods are the best possible way to elevate nutritional status, which stated by Nagy and Moffat 2007, that supplement the staple food with the nutritious supplements in order to combat the nutritional deficiencies. Hence, I have taken the locally available pumpkin seed kernels, which has to improve the iron status of the people, that is the users. Use of pumpkin seeds in the food products is beneficial to vulnerable groups, mainly in children, adolescent and pregnant women, to overcome the nutritional deficiencies. A growing body of evidence suggests that the magnesium sufficiency may help in combating coronavirus. A report from NCBI suggests that magnesium can play a significant role in managing respiratory disorders, which has been associated with the symptoms of COVID-19 virus. Without relying on supplements, enriching your diet with magnesium-rich foods may help a great deal in keeping your health in good shape. Pumpkin seeds are a well-known source of magnesium nutrient and hence gaining a lot of traction these days. Let us see how to prepare the product. We have to select the locally available pumpkin, and we have to get the seeds from that, and we have to tray dry at the 75 degrees centigrade for 15 to 20 minutes. Then we have to dry roast the pumpkin seeds for 15 to 20 minutes at the temperature of 75 degrees centigrade. Then we have to grind and sieve the pumpkin seed, and we have to get the flour and sieve that. Then we have to pack it in the airtight container. Before the processing, what we have to do now? We have to mix along with the wheat flour, which is the base of the biscuit flour, and for 50 and 50 incorporation level. By increasing the substitution of pumpkin seed flour, the wheat flour has to be reduced. Then we have to add butter and baking powder and baking soda and the essence, and we have to make it the seating, molding and cutting. Then we have to bake it up to 200 degrees centigrade for 10 to 15 minutes. For this preparation, we can use for the egg white and also the carrot powders to differentiate the nutritious level of the product. In this, the T2, the trial 2, which has the component of egg white incorporated at 20% to 25%, shows the highest nutritious one compared to other trials. That is this one, which is highly nutritious and sensorily highly acceptable to the qualitators. This picture shows the nutritional composition of the trial 2 pumpkin seed flour incorporated cookies along with egg white in the incorporation of 20%. Let us conclude my session. So the cost of production also very low because pumpkin is the locally available vegetable which is in Tamil Nadu and also the several parts of India, and also the ingredients also very easily available. So the cookies of different treatments were packed in aluminum foil covers, which is locally available and also easily available, labeled and stored at the ambient temperature, and the organoleptic evaluation during storage also given the very acceptable value. So it is very much useful to the children and the pregnant ladies and other vulnerable groups during this COVID pandemic situation, because pumpkin is the rich source of magnesium, which also again and again saying it's also very responsible for the removal of respiratory tract infection during the COVID situation. So I finally conclude that this product is very much useful during this situation. Thank you one and all.